Alright, you see his first weld looking like a splatter job.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I might add this in the video, I might not, we will see. But today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers and dads out there. And I say this with the utmost respect to all the fathers and dads out there doing what they're supposed to do for their family, taking care of their family, being there, being a presence at home. And, you know, it's a job that, you know, goes sometimes without appreciation, but you are appreciated. We are appreciated. And I pray that God continue to bless us and strengthen us as we continue to, you know, guide our family and protect them and, you know, provide for them and etc. So, getting that out the way, I decided to spend Father's Day working on the project. So, as you guys know from the last video, I started cutting out some of the old rotten metal and, you know, getting ready to start looking at, you know, welding and getting that stuff together. So, in order for me to start welding, I have to get a welder. Yes, you see it. You see it. My Father's Day gift to myself. Excuse the wind noise. I went all the way to the Bronx. I think I have like another video clip I'm gonna add. I got my welder, this titanium flux 125. Got some practice steel and this cheap welding mask. I figured, like, look, man, I'm just trying to get my feet wet, get my weight up. I'm not going to spend a lot of money on a welding mask. And, you know, if I get nice with the welding, then I invest more into the craft. But as of right now, this should do me just fine. So I'm going to unbox everything and we're going to look at it together.
Ladies and gentlemen, happy Father's Day. You see Mike here, he went and buy something for himself for Father's Day. A welding kit that he was always wanted to get so he could work on his car. Even yesterday, one of my nephews thought I sent him a happy Father's Day. He thought it was Mike, and he was like, how is your BMW coming along? So I told him that Mike is getting ready to start back up. So here we see he's taking his first attempt at welding. Let's hope it don't. Let me stand back just in case. Alright, you see his first weld looking like a splatter job. Right, I can't see it like it went off.
Yeah, the kid's still on.
He's cooking with fire.
Alright. I think it's going out too fast though.
So far? Yeah, this splatter there.
Yeah, that's because of the flux cord.
Because what happens is after a while, you're going to start getting a bead that is, you know what I mean?
Again, some type of penetration.
I mean, they're the first time welding, right?
Yeah.
So, you know what I mean? Eventually it's going to come, man. I mean, so far you set it up right. So far you get it to work. So, like most of the things, that's the trigger control.
Yeah.
And learning how to light feed to get the kind of melt and the distribution that you want. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And that's too fast. It's hot. Let's burn through it.
Alright, so here I'm just playing with the settings, trying to do a bead. I burned through. What I did, I cut with sheet metal shears just to make it split, see if I can kind of like blend it together, and it kept burning through. It sounds cool when I'm looking at it right now, but I think either have the voltage too high or the wire speed is too fast, and I'm just trying to figure it out because this particular metal is thinner than what it says it can weld on the casing, so it's like a trial and error.
That's it. So that's how long I did that.
Your boy got a lot of work to do. Shout out to my dad. He was helping me out filming it a little bit in other clips. Yeah, I'm just trying to learn how to dial this thing in. I was messing around up here. Obviously you can see I burned through. This is like some other welds that I did on the top side. I'm just messing with the wire speed. On this welder, the thinnest gauge is 18 gauge. This is 22 gauge, which is about the same thickness of what I have on the car. So I need to figure out what will be the proper settings using this welder to weld it with. Also, this welding helmet, I can't see nothing. Now obviously I'm supposed to use this to protect my eyes, and once I start welding it's pretty good, but before I'm welding I can't even see the metal, so I can't see anything. Now granted, maybe because I'm in the shade and I'm not getting a lot of like light through this, but let me just show you. But at the end of the day, I don't think I saw it. But at the end of the day, I need to be able to see what I'm doing and see my weld. So, take this mask off. So, yeah, learning process, learning curve. Like I said, I'm gonna mess around a little bit more. At least I got the first step, which is the welder. For what it's worth, it seems to be working okay. Like I said, I just gotta dial in some of the settings and figure this thing out. This is the most recent weld that I did, and to be quite honest, this a bead actually. Still trying to figure it out, so we'll see. Yeah. So, been practicing, doing some stuff. As you can see, the welds are pretty sloppy, but I'm kind of getting the gun kind of dialed in for this type of metal, as well as a technique. This welding mask, I might take it back. I need to get another one, maybe one that's auto darkening, because what's really messing me up is initially getting the weld started. And like I said, I don't really have experience welding, so I could be just over complicating things. But as you can see, I got some decent penetration. I gotta clean it up to make it look a little bit more pretty so y'all can see it. But this last one right here, this one right here, I just did that one, and that one looking good. Like I got the two pieces to join, and yeah, let me go clean it up so we can see it together. Hold on. So yeah, like I said, just practicing. What's up, Misty? Yeah. As you can see, this joint looking kind of yoked up. This one's a little bit better, and this one right here looks. This is the best joint I did so far. So I'm getting hyped. Yeah, my brother's here. My brother's here. Yeah. So I'm just trying to mess around with it. I'm about to wrap up soon though, because I've been here for a minute. But yeah, everything's coming along nicely, man. So yeah, as you can see, the battery's about to die. But here, blew through it, too hot. That was earlier. That was just now. Not pretty. This is the best one I did. That was like the best one. Beautiful penetration, as you can see here. And the metal is solid. Look, ain't wrong, the metal is on there. I can't take it off. It's stuck on there, but it's not pretty. And I'm not looking for something to be very beautiful, but I need something that's functioning, and I need something that's not going to burn through every 5 minutes. Like I said, it's hard for me to kind of dial this in because I think the thinnest gauge of metal is 18 gauge that it can do. So I'm trying to play with the settings. So yeah, but I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I got it. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. Happy Father's Day to everybody, all the fathers out there who are taking care of their family, doing the right thing for their family. Respect to you guys. May God continue to bless you and bless us and lead us in the path that He wants us to be, to protect our family, provide for our family, and uplift our community as well. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Getting there, man. I'm gonna keep practicing. I'm gonna start getting some different gauges and start practicing with that and get a different mask that auto dims and do that. But yeah, that's it, man. Shout out again to you guys. Appreciate the support. Shout out to David. Reached out to me on Facebook Messenger, gave me a lot of feedback, a lot of advice, a lot of information. I really do appreciate it. You always been clutch and helping me out. Shout out to the other dude that I follow as well. And all you guys who helped me, shout out to you guys. I don't know everybody's name and I don't want to forget anybody, but thank you so much for your support. Enjoy your day.